Hall 4. On the walls of the corridor created from authentic rocks, granite, sandstone, argile, and limestone, a model of the geological section of the northern region of the Republic of Moldova is built by the authors Cemertan and Ursu. Each petrographic variety was formed in a certain geochronological segment. For convenience, the absolute age of Earth, about 4,600 million years, has been divided into two major geochronological units. Precambrian exceeds 4,000 million years, and Phanerozoic Aeon, 541 million years, divided in turn into eras, the periods of which are presented in the three rooms which connect with the corridor. In this hall are represented the oldest stages in the geological history of Earth: the Precambrian, subdivided into the Archaic Aeon and the Proterozoic Aeon, and the 6 periods of the Paleozoic era. The first showcase is dedicated to the Archaic Aeon and Proterozoic Aeon, which each lasted about 2 billion years. According to some hypotheses, in the Archean, the temperature of Earth's crust dropped below 100 degrees Celsius, and water vapor from the atmosphere condensed, falling in the form of torrential rains. That's how the first seas, were formed. The primitive prokaryotic living being appeared there, the blue-green algae, which dissociate carbon dioxide and eliminate oxygen in the atmosphere. In the Proterozoic, thanks to the photosynthesis of algae, the atmosphere with oxygen and the ozone layer appear, which was not yet thick enough to protect life on Earth from the harmful effects of ultraviolet rays, but it is assumed that at the end of this aeon, a phenomenon of crucial importance for the further development of living being occurs. The concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere increases considerably, and in the same time, the ozone layer begins to fulfill its function as a protective screen against harmful ultraviolet rays, which made possible the rapid evolution of the organic world. The next stage in the geological history of our planet is Phanerozoic Aeon, which is divided into 3 eras: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. The Paleozoic era began 541 million years ago and lasted 192 million years. In this room there are presented rocks and fossil remainings characteristic for the 6th period of this era: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. On the frontispiece of the displayed cases are presented the paleogeographic maps which reflect the water-dry relationship, and the lithological columns indicate the frequency of certain rock formations in each period of the Paleozoic era. The mural is a conventional reconstruction of the corresponding paleo landscapes, where the evolution of life forms from the lowest to the primitive vertebrates is redeemed. In the early Paleozoic eras, trilobites, branchiopods, coleoberats, technoderms, cephalopod, mollusks, and gratopolids developed. The plant world was poor, consisting of blue-green algae, mosses, and fungi. In the Middle Proterozoic, essential changes occur in the organic world. The land is populated by different representatives of the plant and animal world. Gigantic insects, scorpions, and spiders appear, which lived in a swampy region, usually in swampy regions, and towards the end of the era, amphibians, fish, and reptiles appear. The vegetation was dominated by plants with woody stems, which formed the tropical type forest, and in which were the basis for the formation of coal seams. At the end of this era, there is a change in the organic world, which was the beginning of a new era, which we will talk about in the next room.